You can smell them outside the box. It smells so good. These smell good. What is up, YouTube? We have something for fall. I am back with another video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into this video. We got some candles to smell. I love candles. If you love candles, I think you would like this, especially if you like fall scent candles. I think you would like these. You can smell them outside the box. It smells so good. That's what we're working with. This link will be down below to purchase these candles. They were not expensive, I don't believe. But I will check to make sure. I don't think they were expensive though. But this is the company here. Let's get into it. So first off, I like about the packaging. The packaging is very packaged. It's very much packaged. Let me do it like they had it because I did open the box before. So they did have the thank you note in here. It says thank you for the support. It says thank you for the support. Thank you for your support. Devote to providing the best products and service to customers. So let me show you what I mean by they package this shit. They package this thing. Look at this. Your candle's not gonna be clanging together. It gives. It doesn't give Bath and Body Works. It gives Yankee. Let's smell the red apple and pumpkin. Let's smell this one. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, I don't even like pumpkin like that. But that red apple and that pumpkin, that hit. This make me like pumpkin. Pumpkin cake. Pumpkin cake is a little strong. It's strong. It smells like a pumpkin pie. Or the pumpkin filling almost. I say the pumpkin filling. I think it smells more like the pumpkin filling. A lot of nutmeg, a lot of cinnamon. This is the spiced pumpkin syrup. It's very strong. It smells good though. Smooth. It smells sweet. Then the last one is the ginger pumpkin. Oh. That ginger pumpkin. That ginger pumpkin, baby. I might have to get a big one of these. These smell good. Y'all go get y'all some. It's the holidays. These would be great gifts. Get y'all some fall candles. Honestly, get y'all some before they run out. Because they sell out quick. Y'all go get y'all some. Smell. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to look out for my giveaways. I will be doing giveaways. You might win this. You never know.